Ever pondered why walnuts often feature in conversations about superfoods? Walnuts are more than just a snack. They're a nutrient-dense powerhouse. Their unique, crunchy texture and rich, earthy flavor make them a favorite in a variety of dishes. From adding a satisfying crunch to salads, to lending their robust flavor to baked goods, and even starring in snack time, walnuts are as versatile as they are nutritious. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of walnuts and their impressive health benefits. Walnuts pack a punch when it comes to nutritional content. This humble nut is a treasure trove of nutrients that play a crucial role in maintaining our health and wellness. For starters, walnuts are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Walnuts also contain antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols. These powerful compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, protecting our cells from damage. Let's not forget about fiber. A high-fiber diet promotes feelings of fullness, aids in weight management, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. And guess what? Walnuts come packed with it. Moreover, walnuts are a good source of minerals like calcium and magnesium, essential for strong and healthy bones. And to top it off, the compounds in walnuts, such as ellagic acid, have anti-inflammatory properties, further contributing to overall health. Clearly, these small nuts are a big deal in the realm of nutrition. The list of health benefits associated with walnuts is quite astonishing. These nutrient-packed powerhouses are celebrated for their heart-healthy attributes, courtesy of their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation and lower heart disease risk. Their high omega-3s and antioxidants content also favor brain health, potentially improving cognitive function and protecting against age-related decline. In terms of weight management, despite their calorie density, the high fiber and protein content of walnuts promote feelings of fullness, aiding in weight loss. They are also packed with antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. The fiber and prebiotics in walnuts support a healthy gut microbiome, while their calcium and magnesium content contribute to strong, healthy bones. Moreover, compounds in walnuts have anti-inflammatory properties that may reduce body inflammation. And let's not forget their benefits for skin health and diabetes management, or their potential role in cancer prevention. The health benefits of walnuts are as diverse as they are significant. You might be wondering, how can I add more walnuts to my diet? Well, it's simpler than you think. For breakfast, you could sprinkle chopped walnuts on your oatmeal, yogurt, or toast. For lunch and dinner, they add a delightful crunch to salads and pastas. Don't forget about snacks. Walnuts are a satisfying addition to trail mix or simply on their own. And remember, to keep your walnuts fresh, store them in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. With these tips in mind, it's easy to make walnuts a regular part of your diet. As we've seen, walnuts are truly a wonder. Packed with omega-3s, antioxidants, and fiber, they support heart health, brain function, and weight management. They're also beneficial for our skin, bones, and gut health. Next time you reach for a snack, remember the mighty walnut, a small nut with enormous health benefits. Enjoy!